This recording describes the plant and processes at Outo Kumpu Stainless, Shepcote Lane Works in Sheffield. Over the past 50 years, the plant has produced austenitic and ferritic stainless steels. A major investment programme in the 1970s includes most of the plant shown in this presentation. The vertical bright annealing line was installed in 1978 by Salem Hare Voss and was designed to continuously anneal both austenitic and ferritic stainless steels. The line has two decoilers to allow effective coil joining within the capacity of the storage looping tower. Both decoilers have coil end manipulative equipment in order to minimise manual handling during feeding up operations, and can handle coil weights of up to 30 tons, 1600 mm width and 3 mm in thickness. The decoilers are fitted with hydraulic paper winders. Number 2 pass line is shown here. The welder and degreasing section can be seen in the background. Coil joining is carried out by means of a British Federal overlap spot welder. This is identical to the one shown on number 5 anneal and pickle line. Coil cleaning and degreasing is carried out using the alkali degreasing section with final demineralized water rinse section and hot air dryer. Storage capacity for coil joining and coil removal is by means of looping towers situated at both ends of the line. The entry tower is shown here and has a 195 metre capacity and is controlled by a winch drum design. The vertical furnace consists of a 17 metre, 3200 kilowatt Wellman electric element heating section, with half of the elements supplied from the new Eurotherm thyristor control units, the others from Brentford regulators. An 11 metre cooling section follows, supplied by Shugai Ro Company of Japan, installed in 2002. The process section line drives are capable of running at 65 metres per minute. The whole section operates a hydrogen-nitrogen atmosphere, the overall height of the furnace being 36 metres, with a maximum rated output of 12 tonnes per hour.